Nga kay ako ngaran-ngaran yun ang for 500 meters. So ba na? Nagliko mo na topic. Masurot ka to naman. Airport.
Hello guys! Welcome to our another weekend vlog. After natin ma-explore ang Sentosa Island last weekend, magpa-picture sa Universal Studios Singapore sa kanilang iconic globe at mag-dinner sa Swensen, ay tinapos natin ang ating day 3 sa Gardens by the Bay kung saan namangha tayo sa kanilang light and sound show. This weekend ay di pa tayo uuwi ng Pilipinas dahil meron pa tayong another country na i-unlock sa ating bucket list. A country that is truly Asia, ang Malaysia. Tulad ng Singapore and Philippines, ang Malaysia ay part din ng ASEAN countries or Southeast Asia and visa-free sa ating mga Filipinos. Samahan nyo kami this weekend sa ating biyahe papunta sa capital city ng Malaysia, which is ang Kuala Lumpur. Kaya kung ready ka na, let's go! Tatanong na lang tayo. So we just checked out guys from our hostel. We are going to Kuala Lumpur via Sanai Airport in Johor Bahru. Now, mag-withdraw lang kami. Then we will exchange it to Malaysian ringgit. So I was actually thinking initially na doon na mag-withdraw sa Johor Bahru, but medyo mas safe daw if dito na lang kami mag-withdraw and dito magpa-exchange. So see you in a bit. So nagpa-exchange na kami guys ng 100 SGD and natanggap namin is 330, but if we will check sa app, tama lang din, 100 SGD 331, so parang mga $1 and something yun. Okay, not bad. So kakain kami sa Jollibee. Okay, let's go. So ayan si Marga guys, nag-o-order. Nilagay ko muna yung bag ko doon sa couch para makita ko. Ako na mag-abang ng order mo, gusto mo?
Anong order mo?
One piece chicken joy with jolly spaghetti na $8.50. Then with Coke Zero na and cheesy hamburger for $3.50. Self-service lang yung drinks nila dito guys. Okay, so guys, Marga is just getting her order and here's ours. Chicken, spaghetti, and burger. I think I must say na yung serving wala namang pinagkaiba sa Philippines. Well, tingnan natin yung lasa. We'll wait for Marta muna bago tayo mag-start kumain. Sabi ko, wala namang pinagkaiba yung serving. Tingnan natin if magkakatalo sa taste.
Yeah.
Let's try. Sana nag-wing part na lang ako.
Gusto mo balik tayo?
Ayaw ko ng wing
Anong
part.
part yan?
Parang
Thai?
Thai.
Sige. Let's
Sure.
change.
But parang mas marami yung cheese mo. Charot. Thank you, sister.
Oh, the cheese is melted here.
Yeah. Iba lang yung spaghetti nila. Parang nagme-melt yung cheese. So let's try. Naglalaway na ako. Gutom na ako.
Init.
Parang iba yung lasa dito. Lumatamis pa din. Pero parang hindi banana ketchup yung yung ginamit. Kain naman natin yung chicken. What can you say, sister?
Okay.
Pero parang, hindi banana ketchup.
Hindi siya hindi siya kasing dami sila sa Philippines.
Yung chicken, same. Same na same sa hotdog. Let's try burger.
Actually, mas gusto ko yung spaghetti, ay yung chicken nila dito. Minsan kasi dry na yung inaano sa Pilipinas.
Same din. Same lang sa hotdog. Parang yung spaghetti lang nagkaiba. So mag-MRT tayo going to Sentosa, guys. Dito pa din sa Bugis. So Bugis Station. Yung line na sasakyan natin EW12 towards Tuas Link. Tayo bababa sa Outram Park. Tapos magta-transfer ng line. So transfer tayo sa EW16, Outram Park. Tapos transfer tayo sa NE3. Transferring to Northeast Line, going to Harborfront. Doon yun sa Vivo City yung pinuntahan natin kahapon. Then sasakay ulit tayo doon sa tram going to Sentosa. So we're here na sa Northeast Line. Yes, so sasakay ulit tayo guys sa monorail. Then bababa tayo sa may Sentosa Station.
Siguro sumay lang siguro dapat. Kapag okay.
So we're here again guys sa Resorts World Universal Studio. Hanapin muna natin ang pick-up point ng bus natin going to Johor Bahru. So nagtanong na kami and ang sabi is dito daw sa may casino. Ayan, sa may casino. Ito siya guys, mainit lang. Hello. We book via Klook. We book via Klook. Johor Bahru. Yes. We will just wait. We will just wait for the bus. Okay. Thank you. Just wait daw. Baka redeeman ng ticket. Okay, so dito lang tayo sa bus station. Pero ano pa lang naman, 12:47. More than 1 hour pa tayo. Okay guys, so we're here na sa parang bus terminal or station. Medyo matagal pa yung hintayin natin. At mainit. Okay guys, so we are still waiting for our bus. Roughly 1 hour pa yung hintayin natin. It's 1 p.m. And the departure ng bus is at 2 p.m. While we are waiting, we just want to share our preparation naman about our Malaysia trip. So there are two ways going to Malaysia from Singapore. It's either via bus, which may take 8 hours na biyahe, and the other option is yun yung kinuha namin via plane. But the catch is from Singapore, pupunta muna kami ng Johor Bahru. Doon kasi yung parang immigration sa may Woodlands. Then from there, ita-transfer ulit tayo to JB Central. And sa JB Central, sasakay ulit tayo papuntang Sinai Airport. And from Sinai Airport, going to Kuala Lumpur. So we book our flight via AirAsia. And we already booked our hostel din sa may Malaysia, which is super mura. Anyways, makikita nyo naman in a bit, i-share ko naman yung journey natin papuntang Johor Bahru until we get to Kuala Lumpur. And also, like Singapore guys, you have to complete MDAC, Malaysia Digital Arriving Card. So we were able to complete ours na. At yun din yung hahanapin or ipapakita later sa my immigration. Then roughly 24 hours lang kami doon. Tomorrow night babalik na ulit kami dito sa Singapore, and the next day balik natin sa my Philippines. And since na-exit tayo sa Singapore bukas, dapat we have to complete another SVAC or Singapore arrival card, something. So there, we were able to complete naman ours kasi dapat within 72 hours yung requirement ng Singapore to complete the form. So yun lang, wait lang muna tayo ng bus, and update namin kayo later, sister. And doon kanina pagbaba natin ng monorail, may 7-Eleven doon. Bibili lang kami ng water sa 7-Eleven guys. Bilang 1 hour pa naman bago dumating yung bus natin. By the way, we booked our bus. Pre-book siya via Klook. Both Sentosa to Johor Bahru and Johor Bahru to Sentosa. And by the way guys, dito sa Singapore, left sila. Kung sasakay ka sa escalator at magsistay ka lang, hindi ka maglalakad, left side, baliktad sa atin sa Philippines. Which is sa right side naman tayo kung may gusto tayong padaan. Yun lang, share lang. Okay, so pabalik na tayo guys dun sa may parang terminal sa basement ng Sentosa for our 2 p.m. bus. We've activated our eSIM na din for Malaysia. I-on na lang natin mamaya yung data roaming, and hopefully maging smooth ang pag-activate. Sa CR lang si Marga, and after that, we will head to bus terminal. So dito daw guys yung pick up ng Transtar bus na binook natin sa Klook. It's either D or letter C. So abangan na lang natin. Okay, that's our bus guys. So we departed Sentosa exactly 2 o'clock. Then yung approximate na biyahe natin is around 1 hour and 30 minutes. And try ko muna umidlip guys kasi galing pa akong shift, more than 24 hours na akong walang tulog. So update ko na lang kayo if doon na tayo. Bye bye. And nandito na tayo sa may Woodland guys. Diyan sa may building na yan, diyan tayo aakyat. Pero at this point, hindi na tayo pwede mag-video. So later na lang. So papaalis pa lang yung bus natin guys from Woodlands. Yung Woodlands pala guys, yun yung parang immigration ng Singapore. Di ba palabas tayo ng Singapore? So doon yung isa-scan yung passport natin. If we were to compare it, parang NAIA Terminal 3 natin na immigration. Kasi papalabas tayo ng Philippines. So parang ganun yung concept. Now from here sa Woodlands, papuntang JB or Johor Bahru, I think malapit na lang din. Then dadaan ulit tayo ng panibagong immigration which is yung Malaysian immigration na, and pagkakaalam ko is may stamp yung passport or nagsastamp sila ng passport. So yun lang, so this is a good experience for us. Sure. Ay, I think Johor Bahru na pala. So Johor Bahru na pala guys. So after ng Woodlands, Johor Bahru na pala. And dun sa Woodlands, bawal mag-video or mag-photo. So, pero ipapakita ko na sa inyo ang Johor Bahru. Para lang mas malinaw guys. Di ba sa bus na sinakyan natin sa Sentosa, pagdating sa Woodlands, bumaba kami. Tapos pagbaba namin, umakyat kami doon sa parang immigration kung saan naskinan yung passport namin. Tapos bumaba lang ulit kami. Yung pagbaba namin, doon na ulit itong bus na sinakyan namin na naghihintay. I'm not sure though if or I think pwede namang ibang bus na yung sakyan mo if ever. Kasi kanina pag alis namin sa may Sentosa, konti lang kaming laman ng bus, but now punong-puno na kami. So I think yung mga ibang passengers galing sila sa ibang bus, tapos dito na lang sila sumakay papuntang JP Central. So we're here pa rin guys, very na traffic. It's 3:31 PM. Para kaming nasa NLEX or SLEX. Imagine nyo na holiday, parang ganun yung traffic. And buti nga yung iba na nakamotor. From here sa bus, sa window nakakita ko yung mga nakamotor. Dire-diretso lang. Kaya yung brother-in-law ko, yung kahapon na minute natin na si Tofik tsaka si Linlin, pag nagmamalaysia sila, nagmumotor sila, super saglit lang dito na sila. Ayun, so try natin i-search kung gaano kahaba or gaano pa katagal before we reach JB Central. And by the way guys, we've activated na our eSIM or we turned on the data na of our eSIM here sa Malaysia, and parang okay, I guess okay na. But now search natin if how far yung biyahe natin. Actually 1 kilometer na lang we will reach JB Central na. Super lapit na. It's just that super traffic. So update na lang namin kayo once we're there. Hey guys, so we're here na sa Malaysia, sa Johor Bahru, going to JB Central. Then hahanapin na namin yung bus sa platform AA1 going to Sinai Airport. Medyo maaga yung pagdating natin, so wag na tayo mag-grab para makasave tayo. Okay, bye bye, see you later. Bye bye. Yung CR nila parang CR sa Taiwan, no?
Yung isang part.
Meron ding toilet bowl.
Oo.
Doon sa panglalaki, squat eh.
Naantay ko nga yung matapos yung tayo ko. Magsasabot.
So, we're looking for platform A1 guys. Baka kasi may 4 o'clock na na bus papuntang Sinai Airport. So here's our bus guys, and gagamitin natin ulit yung GCash natin going to Sinai Airport. How much if we pay cash? How much? 8. 8 sa. Nag-GCash ka na? Okay. So we paid a GCash card again. But pwede din naman pala cash. 8 ringgit.
Hindi tayo magtapos.
Hindi na.
One time lang.
Tingnan natin if mag-top off sila. So nasa biyahe pa din kami guys, going to Sinai Airport, and approximately from JB Central mga 30 minutes yung babayahiyan natin, and naka P2P bus naman kami, so hindi naman na-hassle sa paglipat-lipat. We will update you again once we reach Sinai Airport. Bye bye. Hi! So we're here at Sinai Airport. We just arrived. Then, I think we're going to eat. Kasi yung boarding namin is 7 p.m. pa naman. So we can still eat. And mag-ikot-ikot sa airport. So we're here inside Sinai Airport. So try namin mag-check-in dito sa may kiosk na. Tap screen to begin. Check-in. Oo, isa na lang tayo. Isa lang naman booking reference natin sa sir. Okay, so we got our boarding pass na. Hindi. Kaila pa kamo gali. Makaon kami ana diya sa KFC. Okay, hello to my vlog. We will eat. You take care. What? Because we are Filipino, that's why we're early. Sige, take care.
Bye-bye.
See you again soon. Bye-bye. And, hello, channel. Rice lang siya. Ano na may itlog. And cucumber and sauce. Akala ko may chicken.
Hindi, yan yun.
Ito yung chicken.
In-order mo.
Okay. Tapos isa-spread ko lang.
Yes. Pero,
Okay guys, hindi ko na kaya. Marami pa naman kaming oras. 1 hour, 30 minutes pa.
Singaporean dollars yan.
Ay, kita mo, lutang na ako. Pagod na ako. Ayan. So, magpapamassage kami dito sa, obviously, massage chair for 10 ringgit. Tapos, yung nakuha ko, $10. Okay. Okay, so eto guys, 10 ringgit. Try natin. Okay na ako guys.
Massage is starting now.
10 minutes. Sige, later. guys, mag-check-in na kami guys. See you sa loob. Tapos na kami sa massage. Okay, so dito na tayo ngayon guys sa gate natin, sa boarding gate natin. And honestly guys, I don't know what to say. Super pagod talaga ako. Wala pa akong tulog. I'm just looking forward na maganda yung accommodation natin at hindi tayo mahirapan papunta doon from Kuala Lumpur. But this is a nice experience guys. I think medyo maaga kami. But I'll just get back to you once I'll just get back to you once boarding na kami. So boarding na tayo guys. Another 1-hour flight from Johor Bahru to Kuala Lumpur. Touchdown, Kuala Lumpur. 1 hour pa yung paddle tent natin going to downtown. And hahanapin lang natin ngayon guys kung saan tayo mag-stay para makapag-book ng Grab. And it looks like bababa tayo kasi doon yung parang terminal or waiting area ng mga ride-hailing app based dito sa sign na nakikita natin. Dito tayo sa platform 1. Wait, check natin. Bili lang muna tayo guys ng something to drink while waiting sa Grab natin kasi 15 minutes pa according sa app. So I got iced latte for 4 ringgit while waiting for our Grab in 15 minutes. Thank you. Maraming mga nagbo-book din guys, pero nakapag-book naman kami agad. And so we are finally here sa Grab guys, going to our hostel sa Kuala Lumpur, and this is another 1-hour ride bago marating natin yung hostel natin. For now, let's end our video for this week, and next weekend more on exploration na tayo sa Kuala Lumpur. May nabook tayo na tour and surely mai-enjoy natin yon. We will try to explore the city then mismo. Let's see if what Kuala Lumpur has to offer sa atin. With our journey guys from Singapore going to here sa Kuala Lumpur, I hope may na-share ako and provide ko yung mga important details so that in case may balak din kayo na pumunta dito sa Kuala Lumpur like how we did via plane, hopefully makatulong siya yung mga preparation, yung mga expectation. Although as I mentioned kanina sa video, there are 2 ways for you to reach Kuala Lumpur from Singapore, which is via bus and via plane. And sana kahit papano na-enjoy nyo din yung food trip natin, yung mga nasingit natin na food trip like trying Jollibee sa Singapore and trying KFC naman sa Malaysia. So let's see if ano pa yung mga food na pwede natin makain dito naman sa Kuala Lumpur. Again guys, thank you for watching and for supporting my video by liking, by commenting. Thank you so much sa new subscribers natin. Thank you so much. I'll see you again next week guys. Happy weekend. Ingat. Bye-bye.